come up with a solution for the problem we're having setting the panorama to a fixed view. First off, I've created a panorama that's 6080 by 3040 pixels. I've placed a graphic on the panorama at the 0 point of my grid and then exported it as an equirectangular JPEG. In Pano2VR, I've loaded the equirectangular image into the Tour browser. Its current default is 0070, so I've left it at that. I'll just output the project so we can see our starting point. As you can see, I can freely move the panorama in all directions. I'll go back into the project, open the viewing limits, and set the top and bottom limits using the default settings. I'll re-output the project so we can see the effect of the top and bottom limits. As you can see, this time I can only pan the panorama horizontally. Back in the project, I'm going to change the left limit to 0 to match the right limit. Now I'm going to set the right limit to 20, which should roughly position the graphic in the window. Now I can use the down arrows on the right degree entry box to move the panorama degree by degree until it's centered. In this case, I'll leave it at -43 degrees. I'll re-output the project so we can see the effect of the new left and right limits. As you can see, I cannot move the panorama at all and it looks good. And if I use some on-screen rulers, we can see that the alignment is spot on and centered on the screen with a 90 pixel margin on each side. I hope this has thrown a bit of light on the situation. I'd be interested to see what you guys' feedback is.